Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Grammy Crochet, and today is going to be a weather video. So you see the sky there with that little bit of sun? That's probably the last of it we're going to see for a while here. Winter has set in now in Ohio, in northern Ohio, and our skies are going to look mostly like that cloud for a while. It snowed today. You can see some snow on the ground, just a little dusting. To the sidewalk or anything, so no shoveling so far. That's good news. And this is late for us to have the lake to have the warm temperatures that we've had for November, but as you can see, there's snow on the roofs, and that is this direction is towards Lake Erie, and this is the lake effect cloud cover that we get most of the winter. And it's really kind of sad because the sun will not shine for us much. Probably historically that's how it goes here in the winter. When you're closer to the lake, you don't get a lot of sun, but you get a lot of dark clouds. And so that is what our winters tend to look like here. And it's 35, so it's not extremely cold. It's just getting the gloom, but it will get cold, and that's where my husband feeds the birds. He put a little garden in there, flower garden, to help draw their attention. He didn't do much with the garden this year, so it's not looking so great, but anyway, I just didn't have much crochet to show you today, so I thought I would just do a real quick. Now it's time for me to hibernate, and this is why. When these clouds roll in, I tend to never want to leave the house again until the sun comes back out. So this is my weather update. I'm sorry it's not a yarny video. I didn't do much crocheting in the last 2 days, even, because we had company and other things, you know, life. Okay. Well, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.